Good morning students. In yesterday's video we have started with chapter number 18, changes in the family and neighborhood. So today we are going to start with page number 111. Do you know? What do you know? Let's see. Birds also migrate. As we have seen that people also migrate for their work purpose or for occupation purpose from one place to another. Same way birds also migrate from one place to another. Now many birds migrate in search of food. Now here it is said that many birds they migrate from one place to another for the search of their food and shelter. Shelter means for their livelihood. Have you seen a flock of swans flying in a V formation in the sky? Now have you ever seen in the sky a flock of swans? They are flying in the formation of V formation. Okay, if you get a chance you should see it. Have you heard about the beautiful flamingos? Have you ever heard about the beautiful flamingos? Every year they migrate from one place to another at a fixed time. Now every year these flamingo birds they migrate from one place to another place, means they go from one place to another place every year at a fixed time. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ही वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चले जाते हैं. सम बर्ड्स फ्लाई फार अवे वाइल अदर्स डू नॉट गो वेरी फार. सम ऑफ द बर्ड्स दे गो वेरी नियर प्लेसेस बट सम ऑफ द बर्ड्स दे गो वेरी फार. बहुत दूर दूर तक चले जाते हैं. वी कैन सी फ्लेमिंगोज एट सेवरल प्लेसेस इन महाराष्ट्र. व्हेन डू वी सी फ्लेमिंगोज इन महाराष्ट्र? बिटवीन अक्टूबर एंड मार्च टाइम. During October and March time we see these flamingos. Birds fly in a flock. Flock means एक झुंड में वो जाते हैं. Even though they stay together in a flock, they do not have families or neighbors like human beings. Even though they are going in a groups, they are going together, they do not have family members. They do not have their own family members or neighbors. As we have, as human beings have, they do not have their families. Now can you tell? Let's see what is this. Look at the pictures of stamps given alongside. Now these are the pictures of the stamps. Stamps. Have you ever seen these stamps? Many of the children, if your parents have these stamps, you can see the stamps at home also. Which changes are depicted on these stamps? Which changes are depicted on these stamps? What are the changes on these stamps? You can see here it is rupees 6 paise India. It is postage stamp. Here you can see a telephone on a stamp and it is written 200 rupees. Here you can see a bird and an aeroplane on the stamp, India postage. Here Bharat India. And here also Bharat India, and here you can see the farmers working in the field. Here you can see a train on the stamp. Now when a member of the family goes far away from some reason, he stays in touch with the family through letters. Now as there were no telephones, there were no communication sources many years ago. At that time people used to give letters. When what happens, many of the people used to go far away from places for their jobs, for their occupations. So how should they communicate with their family members? So during that time there were no telephones, there were no mobile phones, there was no any source of communication. There was only one source of communication, that was letters. Okay, means many years ago. So what they used to do, they used to write letters to their family members. After that it came for the telephone calls. Okay, and now the internet, and now we are using the internet. So these modern means of communication have brought the world closer together. So due to these things, that is letters, telephone calls, and now the internet, people have become easy to communicate with each other. The communication have brought the world very much closer. Even the people who are living very far, we can communicate through them very easily. From ancient times to the present, the nature of a family has undergone many changes. Now from ancient times till now, The nature of a family has undergone many changes. There is a changes in families. When man took up agriculture for his livelihood, he settled down in one place. The people who are working in agriculture, who are working in farms, fields, they settle down there only. They do not go from one place to another. They do their work there only with the help of the agriculture. A lot of people are required to do the work needed in agriculture. Therefore, many relations stayed together and formed a big family. Now, in villages, you can see for the purpose of agriculture, for the occupation, people live in the same place. They do not go from one place to another, due to which many of the people, they stay together and they form a big family in the villages. As the family grew, it became impossible to feed everyone through farming alone. So day by day the family is increasing, and due to which it is become impossible to feed everyone through farming alone. Trade and other new occupations developed. Now what happened? Trade and other occupations, it also developed. So cities began to grow. क्या होता है कि जब सिर्फ एग्रीकल्चर के ऊपर या फिर खेती के ऊपर, फार्मिंग के ऊपर पूरे फैमिली का जो भी है लाइवलीहुड नहीं, वो होता ही नहीं है. तो क्या हो रहा है, दिन ब दिन जैसे जैसे फैमिली बढ़ रही है, काम बढ़ते जा रहा है, ट्रेड बढ़ते जा रहा है, इंडस्ट्रीज़ बढ़ती जा रही है और ऑक्यूपेशन भी बहुत डेवलप हो रहा है. सिटीज़ भी ग्रो हो रही है. जैसे हम सिटीज़ में रहते हैं, सिटीज़ भी ग्रो हो रही है. पीपल बिगेन टू माइग्रेट टू प्लेस वेयर दे कुड फाइंड वर्क. इस वजह से गांव के लोग में शहर में आ रहे. क्यों? क्योंकि शहर में बहुत सारा काम मिलता है, इंडस्ट्रीज़ होती है, वहाँ पे उन्हें कुछ ना कुछ तो काम मिल जाता है जिस पे वो रह सकते हैं. बिग फैमिलीज़ वर स्कैटर्ड इनटू मैनी स्मॉल फैमिलीज़. और इस वजह से क्या होता है, जो बड़े बड़े फैमिलीज़ हैं वो छोटे छोटे फैमिलीज़ में स्कैटर्ड हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू वर्क. उनको काम चाहिए होता है इसलिए. In recent years, the number of people going to other states and countries for work and education has increased greatly. क्या हुआ है, अभी जो नंबर ऑफ पीपल है जो यहाँ से वहाँ जा रहे, फ्रॉम स्टेट्स, फ्रॉम कंट्रीज, फ्रॉम दिस स्टेट टू दैट स्टेट, फ्रॉम दिस कंट्री टू दैट कंट्री फॉर वर्क. क्यों जा रहे वो? अपने काम के लिए या फिर एजुकेशन के लिए. और ये जो नंबर है ये बहुत बढ़ते जा रहा है. Many families have one of their members living abroad or in another city. अभी बहुत सारे फैमिलीज़ हैं जिनके कोई तो फैमिली मेम्बर एक तो आउट ऑफ इंडिया रहता है या फिर अब्रॉड रहता है या फिर किसी दूसरी सिटी में रहते हैं, दूसरे कंट्री में रहते हैं. देयरफॉर द फैमिली सिस्टम इज़ ऑल्सो चेंजिंग. इस वजह से क्या हो रहा है, फैमिली सिस्टम में भी बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, पहले के जैसा अभी नहीं है. जस्ट एज देयर आर चेंजेस इन अ फैमिली, देयर आर चेंजेस इन देयर नेबरहुड टू. तो इस वजह से क्या हो रहा है, फैमिली में भी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं और हमारे नेबरहुड में भी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. नाउ ट्राई दिस. कलेक्ट द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट एनी 3 फैमिलीज लिविंग नियर यू. नाउ यू कैन कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट एनी 3 फैमिलीज दोज आर लिविंग नियर यू. विच इज़ देयर होम टाउन नेटिव प्लेस. You have to find out which is their hometown, their native place means कौन सा गाँव है, वो कहाँ पे रहते थे. When and why did the family move from their hometown to this place means वो गाँव से यहाँ पे क्यों शिफ्ट हो गए, वो पहले कहाँ रहते थे, वहाँ से ये यहाँ क्यों आए. What changes do they see here? People migrate for jobs, occupations or educations. As we migrate, we see the diversity in our country. We are introduced to different festivals, food and customs and traditions. Now as you move from one place to another, you can see there are many different festivals and foods and customs and traditions of different people. At the same time, we also realize that as human beings, we are all alike. Do you know? Some people need to migrate frequently for work. Now, in some of the families, some of the people have to migrate from one place to another very frequently means बहुत बार. Sugarcane harvesters or construction workers and other like them keep moving to places where they can find work. wherever and whenever they migrate, their children are given admissions in the local schools. Now, as they migrate from one place to another frequently, they have to also migrate their children with them. They cannot go alone. They have to take their children along with them, and they have to see the admissions. They have to take the admissions of the children in the local schools. Okay.